This plant is called Black Eye Suzanne. What a beautiful name for a beautiful plant. Do you have this plant in your garden? Do you like the colors? It has a little black eye in the middle. I think that is why it's called Black Eye Suzanne. It's such a beautiful plant. This plant will flower all through the summer, from the ending of June all the way into the ending of August, depending on where it's located. If you deadhead it, it will keep blooming. This other plant here is called hostas, and this also is a perennial, but it doesn't last, the flowers don't last too long. It lasts for about 3 to 4 weeks.